Hello friends, welcome. We are solving examples as part of conversion of solids 10th grade mensuration, surface area and volume of combined solids. So conversion of solids, we are looking into now examples related to cylinder. What length of a solid cylinder 2 cm in diameter must be taken to recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 cm, external diameter 20 cm and thickness 2.5 mm. So whenever we know that whenever we see recast, whenever we see something called recast, we immediately know the volumes are same. Our volume is equal in both the cases. Now what is the first case? Let us look at solid cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter. Solid cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter. So can I say R equal to 1 centimeter, and we don't know the length, that is H, we don't know. To recast into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeter, so we know H1 is equal to 16 centimeter. What else we know? We know external diameter 20 centimeter and the thickness is 2.5 mm. Now what is the volume of a hollow cylinder? The volume of hollow cylinder is pi into R2 square minus R1 square into H, where R2 is the external radius and R1 is the internal radius. What is given to us? External diameter is 20 centimeter. So we have been given R2 equal to 20 by 2, that's equal to 10 centimeter. And what will be R1? R1 will be nothing but equal to R2 minus thickness. That's equal to R2 is 10 centimeter minus thickness is 2.5 mm. So can I say 0.25 centimeter? That's equal to 9.75 centimeter. Now we have two volumes. Volume of solid cylinder is pi r square H, and volume of hollow cylinder is pi into R2 square minus R1 square into H, but both of them are equal. So if we equate them, we will have pi into R square, that is 1 square, into H equal to pi into R2 square, that is 10 square, minus R1 square, that is 9.75 square, into H1, that's equal to 16. Now we have to simplify that to find out the value of length of the solid cylinder, nothing but height of the cylinder. So H equal to 10 square minus 9.75 whole square into 16. A square minus b square, I can write it as a plus b into a minus b, that is 19.75 a plus b into a minus b, that is 0.25 into 16. Now if I simplify that, I will have 19.75 into 16 into 0.25 is 4. So I will have 79 centimeter. So the length of the solid cylinder is 79 centimeter. Let's repeat that again. We have been asked what length of a solid cylinder 2 centimeter in diameter must be taken to recast it into a hollow cylinder of length 16 centimeter, external diameter 20 centimeter and the thickness 2.5 mm. So what we have been given is, the diagram is like this. For the hollow cylinder we have been given that in the case of hollow cylinder, we know the external is 10 and we know the thickness is equal to 2.5 mm. We also know total is 10 centimeter. So based on that we can calculate what is R2 is equal to 10 centimeter. We know thickness is 2.5 mm. If you subtract, you will get your R1. R1 equal to 9.75 centimeter. So since it's a recast, the volume should be the same. Volume of the solid cylinder should be equal to volume of the hollow cylinder. When we equate both of them, we can find out that the height is nothing. Height or the length of the solid cylinder is equal to 79 centimeter. We'll do one more problem. Let's look at this example. A cylindrical vessel having diameter equal to its height is full of water, which is poured into two identical cylindrical vessels with diameter 42 centimeter and height 21 centimeter, which are filled completely. Find the diameter of the cylindrical vessel. Now let's try to understand two parts to this. So first, cylindrical vessel having diameter equal to its height. So let us say the radius of the cylindrical vessel, the first one, radius equal to R, radius equal to R, then we know that the height is equal to diameter, so we can say height equal to 2R, is poured into two identical cylindrical vessels. So there are two identical cylindrical vessels, diameter 42 centimeters. So can I say R1 equal to 42 by 2, that's equal to 21 centimeter, and height is also equal to H1 is equal to 21 centimeter. Now what happened? The cylindrical vessel is full of water, which is poured into two identical cylinders, and it was filled completely. What's the meaning of this? Filled completely tells me that volumes are equal. So if I take the water from the first vessel and pour it to the two other cylinders, identical cylinders, and the water is those cylinders are filled completely, the meaning of that is that the volume is same. So what is the volume in the first case? Let's calculate the volume in the first case. The volume is equal to pi into R square into H, that's equal to 2R. What's the volume here? Two cylinders, and we have pi into R1 square, that's equal to 21 square, into H1, that's equal to 21. So we have to equate these two because we know the volume is same. So it will become pi into R square into 2R equal to 2 into pi into 21 square into 21 or 21 cube. I can cancel pi to 2 pi, 2 pi 2 pi. I have R cube equal to 21 whole cube, nothing but equal to R equal to 21, which gives me that the diameter D is equal to 2 into 21, that's equal to 42 centimeter. So the diameter is equal to 42 centimeter. So in this problem the key is that once you pour the water into these two identical cylindrical vessels, they are filled completely. They are filled completely tells me that the volume of the first cylindrical vessel is equal to 2 times the volume of the identical cylindrical vessel in the second case. So we take the volume and equate them in both the cases. We will find out that R equal to 21 centimeter or diameter equal to 42 centimeter. We will do one more problem. Let's look at this example. We have been given 25 circular plates, each radius 10.5 centimeter and thickness 1.66 centimeter, are placed one above the other to form a solid circular cylinder. Find the curved surface area and the volume of the cylinder so formed. We know that the cylinder is a three-dimensional, or it's a solid formed only when you place circles one on top of the other, then only the cylinder is formed. And we know here how many circular plates? 25 circular plates. We have placed one on above the other to form a solid circular cylinder. So we have 25 plates, 25 circular plates. What is the thickness of each? Each thickness 1.6 centimeter. Therefore, what will be the height of the cylinder? Height equal to 25 into 1.6, that's equal to 40 centimeter. Now we know height. Now what about the radius? We know radius is equal to 10.5 centimeter. So the radius of the circle and the radius of the cylinder will be the same. We are very clear with that. Now find the curved surface area and the volume of the cylinder so formed. What is the formula for CSA? What's the formula for volume? CSA formula is 2 pi r into h. That's a CSA formula. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r 10.5 into h 40. Simplify that. 7 will go 1.5 times and 2 into 1.5 is 3. 3 into 22 into 40, that's equal to 2640 cm square. Coming to the volume, volume formula is pi r square h. So we will have 22 by 7 into r square, that's nothing but 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into h equal to 40. So 2 to 4, 4 will go 10 times. Then we have 7, 7 will go 3 times. We multiply that, we will have 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2 into 40. That's nothing but 10 times. Then we have 22 into 63 into 10, that's equal to 13,860 cm cube. So that's the CSA and volume of the solid, the cylinder so formed. The CSA and volume are like this. So the point we have to understand is, when we place 25 circular plates one on top of the other, 25 multiplied with the thickness will give you the height. 25 into 1.6 is height. Once we know that, we directly know the formula for CSA and volume. We can substitute that. So we will solve some more examples as part of conversion of solids in the coming session. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.